doing?
I have a challenge. So, hi guys. This is Sonia, my classmate.
Is it you recording already?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah. So I have a challenge. I'm going to let them read about the language we have is Tagalog and Bisaya. So this is the challenge.
Tagalog.
And Bisaya, that's our language.
Tagalog.
Yeah,
Tagalog.
yeah.
So first one, can you read this one for me?
Gihigugma tika. Is
Say
it?
it again.
Gihigugma.
No, it's
Gugama.
Gihigugma tika.
It's you.
It's you, it's V!
You, that's you, sorry.
Okay, Gihigugma tika.
Okay, that's Bisaya. Okay, that means it's I love you. So this one,
Alim pataka. Patakan.
Alim Patakan.
Patakan, yeah.
I don't know what's that. Sorry.
Pataka.
This one,
Talapongo.
Talapongo. That's crazy. How about that one?
Mahal kita.
Have you heard that one?
Yes.
Yeah, I had a lot.
In a series.
Yeah, I had
Filipino series,
people
yes.
What's
say.
that mean?
I don't know.
No! I like something like love.
I love you.
I've seen the series.
Manganda.
Hmm?
Manganda.
What's Maganda where there's no N there?
Oh, say mangan. That's mangan.
Maganda.
Oh, mangan.
It's beautiful.
But there's something else in my language.
This one,
Pangit.
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 Pangit, it's ugly.
Pangit. Oh my god.
Ganda is also what?
Beautiful or pretty.
Ganda means dirty in our language.
Exactly.
Seriously?
Ganda,
My
yeah.
friend, he said, "Oh hi, you are Ganda." I said, "I'm not Ganda."
Because you know that you understand what it,
Beautiful, but then I was like,
Magandang. Magandang.
Umaga.
Umaga.
what's that?
Oh, I don't know.
Good morning. This one,
I have to ask
Malibang?
my Filipino mates.
malibang.
I've heard of
Malibang.
Filipino, but
So it's bang. We can't say bang.
Yeah.
Because in English we say bang. It's
But
bang.
it's in our language is bang.
Bang.
Malibang?
Bang.
Malibang is to defecate.
so what is this
Nakapang.
challenge for?
Huh?
Nakakapang.
It's just a challenge for
Pa-
how you say, how you pronounce it in our language. Okay. How you say it?
Oh, say it, Angeline.
Why
Say
is
it,
it so-
Angeline.
No, why is it so, every word is so low?
It's how it is.
Pag.
Oh my goodness. What is that? Do you want to pronounce it?
Pabagabag.
Nakakapagag.
Nakakapagapag.
I love the track.
One more.
Nakakapagpabagabag. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I did one word. Okay.
Yeah.
Say it again. It's like worry, something worriness.
Like Hakuna Matata.
Nakakapagpabagabag. Even mix.
बाल में थोड़े डाई लगा लो.
हाँ, मेरे बाल.
Yeah, that's it. Where are you going?
Asaka padulong.
Sit there.
You're learning. So that's all. Thank you, classmates, for participating on my challenge. Bye. See ya.